This is what the first line sounds like. What did I do? What did I blow? First I blew a tkiya, then I blew a shvarim, then I blew a teruah, then I blew a okay, but I blew just a tkiya, right? So I have a tkiya in the front, a tkiya in the back, and then a shvarim and a teruah in the middle. Did I breathe in between each one of those?
Yes.
We don't know.
Are you allowed to breathe?
Yes.
When are you supposed to take a breath? When are you not supposed to take a breath?
In the middle, you can take
When so is there a time that you're supposed to take a breath, and is there a time that you're not supposed to take a breath?
Good question.
Right?
We don't know.
So here's the answer to that question. We don't know. We don't know.
There's no breathing laws.
No, there are breathing laws. There's always a law. The breathing law is, some people say you breathe between the shvarim and the teruah, and some people say that you're not supposed to breathe between the shvarim and the teruah. And you know where it comes from? What is the sound of the shofar all about? What is it supposed to sound like? What does the sound of the shofar remind us of? What is it? It sounds like something we know. Yes. Yes, Hashem blew the shofar at our Sinai. But what does the sound of the shofar remind us of even today? When you blow the shofar, it sounds like what? It sounds like a what?
It's trying to wake someone up.
Trying to wake, it sure wakes you up. What does it sound like? It sounds like a baby crying, right?
Does it sound like crying to you?
Not really?
If you're listening to it, you're looking at Rabbi Cranes again, then we'll decide what it sounds like
If
crying.
it's supposed to, a little bit, it sounds like crying. And you know that when you cry, I know when I cry sometimes, I can catch my breath. And sometimes I'm crying so hard, I can't catch my breath. Does it ever happen to you? That you're crying so hard and it's like, you're crying and you don't catch your breath? When you'll be a father or a mother one day and you'll have a baby, and the baby will cry, one of the things that makes you very nervous is when the baby cries and it doesn't catch its breath. And you're like, okay, catch your breath already and move on to the next cry, because it's very scary, right? When Yael used to cry, I remember being nervous. When is she going to catch her breath? Sometimes when you're crying so hard, you just cry and you make a sound and you and you don't stop to breathe. So in the shofar blowing, there's a question. Should you stop to breathe or should you not stop to breathe? How does a baby cry? So, yeah, you have a question?
Isn't it when you do the teruah that when you make the sounds that the tooting sound can't you when you do it, you can take half a second to breathe and then go to the next one?
In the teruah, in between the teruahs? Nope. And in fact, the question is whether or not you should